So let's have a look at measure and draw tools. So on the bottom of the screen here in the center is our tool set. So we can click on the measurement and draw. So if you notice, one click will start it. You'll see a little white dot underneath of the tool. If you click that again, the tool will disappear. So let's have a look at measurement. Standard, area, and linear with the units. So in an area measurement we have a variety of different units that we can use. Related to our planning, we use the square meters for a lot. So just click on that, then just start clicking on the lot line. You know, obviously you get an estimate here. There's some accuracy required. About 1,000 square meters for that lot. So just double click, we'll finish it. If you want to start another one, you can just click on the line. Same thing. We take a look at linear. Obviously a few units there that you can use. A lot of the times when you're looking at property, we look at kind of side lot lines. It's checking distance. So you take your initial click. If you want to finish your measurement, you double click. If we wanted to do multiple measurements, we would click once, click again, and then keep clicking until we're done. You'll notice the distance is changing, and then when we're done, we double click, and that's our measurement there. So taking a look at the draw tool, some complexity to it. There's a variety of different things here. We can add a point, line, multiple lines or a polyline, freehand. There's a variety of simple shapes, and then you can do your areas as well, either by pointing multiple times or the freestyle, and then we can end with adding text. Also, note the preview screen here. This will give you an idea what the line will look like. Then we have a color selection, and you'll notice it'll even have line styles as well. You can add an RGB or a hex color to it, but generally most of the colors that you need to make some comments are all there. You can do style, so there's dash, dash dot, assign and transparency, and then there's the width. So we can make it as high as you want. You'll notice the preview screen will change to reflect the distance. Standard is 4. We also have the ability to show the measurement also, so we can add a default distance here. So if we do feet, if we do any calculations that way, you'll get and then just your standard undo or redo or clear. So we'll just add a point, and that'll give you the ability to add multiple types of symbols. We'll just use a standard web area. So that'll give us points that we can do in the sense of trying to locate something on there. We can add proposed fence start point, and click a size. You see the preview there, give you an idea what it's going to look like, and then we'll just click on here, proposed fence start. So a lot to it in here. We can do lines if we're going to do the measurement. So same as before, one click, hold the button down, and then when you want to stop, just let go. That'll give you a distance there. So if we do multiple lines, click, and then just basically click until you're done. And double click to finish. So that information there, by using the print tool, you can print that out on 11 by 17 or a letter size. So there's also a freehand scenario as well. That will give you the distance. And then we can get down to an area. Remember to clear your objects if you want to clean it up. So we can pick our type of color, our outline width. If we'd like to have a transparency there, we can provide transparency, and then just essentially start clicking. You'll notice that it will and then I'll give you the length. So that could be square meters, yards. We'll have another run. We'll do square meters. Click to start, then just continue clicking. And double click to finish. So that's measurement and drawing, and we'll go on to another video.